Welcome to the channel where we discuss the newest advancements in innovation and technology. Today we explore the world of small computers with a focus on the ASUS ROG NUC 970, a mini PC that defies the notion that powerful desktop towers are the only option for great performance. Regardless of whether you're a multitasker, gamer, or content creator, this gadget claims to give tremendous performance in a tiny package. With the rapid advancement of technology, personal computers are changing to accommodate a wide range of user needs. Those who require great performance no longer have to limit themselves to traditional, huge system units. By providing desktop-level power in a form factor small enough to fit in confined locations, compact PCs, such as ROG NUC 970, are making a compelling case. These gadgets give consumers uncompromising mobility and power, bringing next unit of computing concept to reality. The ROG NUC 970 is incredibly portable and simple to set up in compact settings, measuring only 270 by 180 by 60 millimeters and only 2.6 kilos. Made of a sturdy metal-plastic blend, it may be used both vertically with the provided stand and horizontally on a desktop. Both home and professional settings can benefit from the chic design. With numerous connectors such as USB 3.2 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and others, it's a flexible option for any user. ASUS's trademark design components are present in ROG NUC 970, but they have a more muted professional appearance. Its base has rubber feet for stability, and its little body has air holes for efficient cooling. Two strong fans are included with the gadget to guarantee peak performance when under stress. Lighted ROG logo on top panel gives its simple design a refined touch. Although stand is well designed, some users may find it disadvantageous because there is no option for wall installation. The Intel Core Ultra 9185H, a 16-core, 22-thread CPU, lies at the core of the ROG NUC 970. From complex video editing work to contemporary gaming, this CPU manages everything with ease. The ROG NUC 970 is capable of handling demanding graphic design jobs and running the newest games at high settings thanks to its RTX 4070. Additionally, there is an Intel Arc integrated GPU, which is ideal for lighter activities requiring less energy. Fast and effective multitasking is ensured by the device's dual-channel 32GB DDR5 RAM. Additionally, it has a 1TB Samsung PM9A1 SSD that supports PCIe 4.0 and has lightning-fast read and write speeds. Two M.2 slots allow for additional storage expansion. During regular operation, the clever cooling system minimizes noise levels. The fans may become somewhat audible at maximum load, although this is by no means obtrusive. The fan management system from ASUS guarantees effective cooling without making too much noise. One example of how small PCs may provide desktop-level performance without consuming a lot of room is the ASUS ROG NUC 970. It is the ideal option for professionals, gamers, and creators because of its strong technology, elegant design, and flexible networking. Some people may find the cost prohibitive, but those who choose this high-end solution won't regret it. The ROG NUC 970 is a great option if you're searching for a mini PC that combines portability and power. Remember to hit the bell symbol for more reviews like this one. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the future, and God bless you.